Tecno has launched its new budget-friendly smartphone under Spark series in India called Tecno Spark GO 3, with quiet cool-looking design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Tecno Spark GO 3 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a single 13-megapixel camera at the top left corner, including LED flash. Under the hood, the Tecno Spark GO 3 comes powered by Uni-SoC T7250 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with iOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.79 by 77.97 by 8.19mm, and it weighs around 182.6 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Tecno Spark GO 3 has been priced in India at 8,999 Indian rupees. And it is set to go on sale in the country starting from January 23rd in titanium gray, ink black, galaxy blue, and aurora purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Tecno Spark GO 3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.